This is Anish here. You've got to check out this new music video made by my friend Kiran Kamaraju and choreographers Rajesh and Tony. It's a really cool song, really cool steps, and a fun video to watch. I think you guys will have a good time watching this. Check it out.
Hello everyone, this is Kamal Kamaraju. My brother Kiran, Kranti Kiran, he is a fantastic dancer. మా అందరికి తెలుసు అండ్ వీ ఆల్వేస్ ఎంజాయ్ ఇన్ అవర్ ఫ్యామిలీ ఎప్పుడైనా ఒక చిన్న ఇది అండ్ చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి ఒక ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ ఏదన్నా నాకుందంటే డ్యాన్స్లో కానీ లేకపోతే హిస్ డెడికేషన్ టువర్డ్స్ ద వే హీ ప్రాక్టీసెస్ అండ్ డీటెయిలింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎవ్రీ పర్టికులర్ ట్యూన్కి ఎలాంటి మూవ్స్ ఇవ్వాలి and his ease of body language. That's one thing that I really love, and I always thought that should be highlighted ఎప్పుడన్నా అందరూ చూస్తే బాగుంటుంది అనిపించేది. అండ్ interestingly, after a long time, he's coming with a very interesting dance number. రాజేష్ అండ్ టోనీ వీళ్ళిద్దరు కొరియోగ్రాఫర్స్ కొరియోగ్రఫీ చేసి ఎన్నో ఎన్నో ఆశలు. It's a very popular number. It's one of the very peppy number. Madhura Sridhar garu దీనికి Madhura audio through his please presenting it, and thank you so much Sridhar garu for this fantastic support. So watch this. It's going to pep up your life, and it's going to give you a very oka love meeda oka idi meeda feel good breezy dance number. I hope you guys enjoy it, and all the best Kiran, Tony, Rajesh, and everyone who has been part of it. I really love the way you've made it as a very simple, cool song, and all the best, and looking forward for more songs from you guys in the coming days. So cheers for the talent.
Hi, this is Abhijit here. I just watched Kiran Kamaraju's Inno Inno Ashalu video song and I thoroughly enjoyed it. I've known him for a very long time and I know he's a brilliant dancer. I hope he makes more such amazing videos and entertains us in future. I wish him all the best.
Hi Kiran, your video song was an absolute treat to my eyes and ears. It was so well done. It's the choreograph or the way it was picturized, it had a lot of style in it. And the biggest surprise for me was your dancing. You dance so well. You're a fabulous dancer and I liked it. Keep it up, and I wish to see more such videos from you and from your team, and I wish you and your team the very best.
హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, దిస్ ఈజ్ రాజ్ కనుకువి. ఇప్పుడే ఎన్నో ఎన్నో ఆశలు అనే ఒక వీడియో సాంగ్ కొరియోగ్రాఫ్ బై టోనీ అండ్ రాజేష్, యాక్టెడ్ బై కిరణ్ కామరాజ్ చూశాను. బాగుంది, ఇట్స్ గుడ్ వర్క్ అండ్ కీప్ ఇట్ అప్ కిరణ్, యూ డన్ ఏ వెరీ గుడ్ జాబ్. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ వన్స్ అగైన్ కిరణ్ కామరాజ్ అండ్ cheers.
Hey Kranti, all the very best for Enno Enno Ashalu. I've seen the video, superb undi, chala baagundi, and all the very best, your first video album, and I'm sure it will rock. Chala pedda success avvalani korukuntunanu. Alage deento paatu next many more videos cheyali. Inka dance inka saripoledu babai, dance inka kavali. But you rocked it, and all the very best to Enno Enno Ashalu team. Sudhakar Komakulanku signing off. Rock it, bro.
Hello everyone. Just saw the video song of Enno Enno Ashalu. I loved it. Brilliant job by Kiran Kamaraju. And I wish the whole team of that video song all the very best. Please do watch the song. Thank you.